I need to put shelf holes in this cabinet behind me, and I'm gonna use my true position shelf hole jig to do it. This is the hard way to drill shelf holes in the cabinet. I'm gonna show you. I have a little spacer here that I'm holding it up off the bottom. And I'm clamping it on there just so I don't have to hold it and drill it with one hand. I could use the drill with two hands. I'm gonna take off this spacer, so now I can drill the back holes. That's how you drill shelf holes the hard way.